Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be presenting my project proposal on the system analysis and design of Welcome Depot inventory and sales management system. I am Kervan Rizal, and this is my research. So this is the logo of Welcome Depot. Here's a quick overview of the topics we'll be covering from the introduction, case study, gaps and problems, background to recommendation and evidence. Introduction. Welcome Depot is one of the Philippines' leading home improvement and construction supplies retailers. It offers a wide range of products such as tiles, sanitary wares, plumbing, hardware, electrical appliances, furniture, and home interiors items. To manage its large inventory and high volume of daily transaction, Welcome utilize an enterprise level inventory and sales management system. This study aims to investigate the existing systems, performance requirements, flow, and areas needing improvement. Welcome Depot is a leading home improvement retailer, and my study focuses on analyzing their current system to find ways to improve performance and efficiency. The case study. So, the background of the study. So, it says Welcome system handles everything from stock tracking to sales processing and reporting, which is critical to their daily operations and hardware requirements. So that is the list of hardware requirements. Like the system depends on various hardware such as POS terminals, servers, desktop computers, and networking devices. So number two, software requirements. That is the list, and B number three, processors. B number four, operating system. B number five, databases. So Webcon system operates using a custom ERP and database management software supported by Windows Server and Windows 10, enabling real-time stock monitoring, order handling, and sales processing with MySQL databases and cloud backups, ensuring secure and reliable data management. So B number six, people, and C, functional and structural model. So in B number six, people, various people interact with the system, including cashier, inventory staff, managers, IT personnel, and customers indirectly. In functional structural model, the mm, the process starts with product encoding, followed by the sales transactions, real-time stock updates, and automated report generations. So that is the case study. And D, information step flow. So here's the operational flow from stocking products to generating daily reports, showing how data moves through the system. So this is the flow chart. And the manual of operation. First, stop logs in into the system. Number two, products are added or updated in the database. Number three, sales clerk scans items at checkout. Number four, system updates stocks and logs transactions. Number five, managers generate reports from the dashboard. And number six, IT supports conducts regular data backups. So that is the case study. And we move to gaps and problems. So gaps and problems and data inconsistency. So occasionally sync delays between branches and main database. And second, system downtime. Dependency on internet for cloud database causes delays during outages. Third, users errors. In- inadequate, inadequate tuning leads to incorrect product data entry. And number four, inefficiencies. Manual backup systems increase IT overhead. So I identified issues such as delays, system downtime, lack of training, and high backup costs. So recommendation. Um, so my recommendation is implement a hybrid database model, local and cloud to avoid data delays. Schedule regular system training for all staff handling the system. And third, invest in redundant internet connection to reduce downtime. Fourth, upgrade current backup system to an automated cloud-based backup. And fifth, introduce mobile inventory scanners for more accurate warehouse stock taking. So to address this, I recommend hybrid databases, better internet redundancy, regular staff training, and automated backups. And to references. So this is the sources include Wilcon's official website, staff interviews, software documentation, and ERP best practice articles. So this is the evidence inside the Welcome Depot, outside view of Depot, inventory management dashboard, backup server setup, and purchase scanning. So this images shows actual visual from Welcon such as system dashboard, backup setup, and store operations. So that is all. Thank you. That concludes my presentations. Thank you for your attention. And I'm happy to answer any question you may have. So no other members, just me prepared care by me. Thank you.